Good morning. I'm Narmatha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, working in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about process, memory, and storage management concepts. So here in this lecture, I have given the concepts like process management, memory management, storage management, protection and security, and distributed system. Let's see one by one. Process management. A process is a program in execution. It is a unit of work within the system. Program is a passive entity. Process is an active entity. Process needs resource to accomplish its task. CPU memory, IO devices, files, and initialization of data. Process termination requires reclaim of any reusable resources. Single-threaded process as one program counter specifying location of next instruction to execute. Process executes instructions sequentially, one at a time, until completion. Multi-threaded process as one program counter by thread. Typically, the system has many processes, some uses some operating systems running concurrently on one or more CPUs. Process management activities that includes creating and deleting uses and system process, suspending and resuming processes, providing mechanisms for process synchronization, providing mechanisms for process communication, providing mechanism for deadlock handling. So here the pictorial representation of process management activities given. So first one is a new ready. In the ready state, we'll check whether it is suspended or blocked, and after that it goes to a waiting state, and then it goes for executing, then it terminates the process or activity. Memory management. All data in memory before and after processing, all instructions in memory in order to execute. Memory management, it determines what is in memory when optimizing CPU utilization and computer response to users. Memory management activities that includes keeping track of which parts of memory are concurrently being used by a person, deciding which process and data move into and out of memory, allocating and deallocating memory space as needed. So it is a pictorial representation of memory management. So here we have main memory and secondary memory. So on the time we are processing any kind of process or activity means that is present in main memory. So some process that will be swapped for the higher priority jobs mean um, in the main process the activities are transferred to secondary memory, and the higher prioritized process can be get into main memory and that will be executed. Storage management. OS provides uniform logical view of information storage, abstracts physical properties to logical storage unit like files. Each medium is controlled by devices like disk drive, tape drives, or pen drives, hard disk, another thing. So it is having a varying speed of properties, capacity, data transfer rate, and access method. File system management and storage management, it usually organized into different directories. So particular person needs any particular document means by that directory usage we can find it. OS activities includes creating and deleting files and directories, primitives to manipulate files and directories, mapping files onto secondary storage, backup files onto stable storage media. Mass storage management. Usually, disk used to store data that does not fit in main memory or data that must be kept for a long period of time. Proper management is of central importance. The speed of computer operations and disk subsystems and its algorithm. Based on this, we'll specify mass management. OS activities includes free space management, storage allocation, disk scheduling, and some storage need not be fast, like territory storage includes optical storage, magnetic tape, must be managed by OS or applications varies between warm and read-only format. Distributed computing, collection of separate, possibly heterogeneous system network together. Network as a communication path. Here we are using three types of networks: local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Special purpose system. So in real time embedded system, most prevalent form of computers, it considers special purposes, limited purpose OS, and real time OSs. So we can also include multimedia systems and handheld systems. Computing environment. So for example, we are taking a traditional computer means we have to consider the things like office environment, home network, or blurring over time. So by considering this, we'll tell computing environment, and we have to check whether it is a client server computing. So it has one server and many clients that is connected to one particular bus line over the network. So by this we can share files in between client and server. Peer-to-peer computing. It does not distinguish client and server. It is installed node considered peers, may each act as a client, server, or both. Web-based computing. So it is ubiquitous computing. It is prevalent device, more device becoming network to allow web access. New category of device to manage web traffic among similar services are. From this, you can understand about what is process management, storage management, and memory management. Thank you.